Here we have a 2021 Tracker Pro Team 175. Comes with a single axle trailer. This has a 2021 Mercury 75 horsepower 4-stroke engine. 3-blade aluminum prop. This is rated for 4 people. You do have these seats that have a pedestal to raise these up if you want to sit higher. You got live well, storage, 2 rod lockers here and here with a live well in front of it. More storage on that side. You do have a recessed foot pedal, Minn Kota Edge 45-pound thrust trolling motor. Some controls for your engine. This has the nice vinyl flooring, super easy to keep clean. Very low hours on the engine. The owner estimates 15 hours. It does come with a swing tongue trailer as well. This boat is available for sale at SkipperBud's in Antioch, Illinois. My name is Ryan. Give us a call at 847-395-6101. Thank you.